Mike, did you go visit the bunny house in Las Vegas?
No, I didn't.
That's not what you told me.
I heard that too.
Oh,
I even saw the pictures.
Yeah, Air Force Amy's special trick. Now he's getting upset.
Smack the staff aside and go in on him.
I get stabbed that. Turn it on.
Yeah.
Hit him on the button.
You guys need to back up just a bit.
Air Force Amy, huh?
No.
Oh,
Air
wait.
Force Amy. The other one's too.
You know what? Here's what it is. This is what we're on the left.
Yeah!
All are angry.
Punish him.
alright.
Goodness,
Blocking my way.
There's no space.
Excuse me.
You're blocking my way.
Hey, Jake.
Watch your foot.
Of course, she's slightly older than you.
And she's taking pictures.
Oh, he's angry.
Yeah, well.
Memory full. Hey, that spider's back.
Yeah.
What's the big thing about spiders anyway?
Hi, spider. They're cute. No, spiders don't bother me. They bother Josh.
Well, then next time you spar, throw a spider at him and beat him before he's got it off him.
No, what bothers him is rabies and crows.
Good show.
You want to go